I got a bunch of stuff in, a bunch of cool stuff, and it all came from this group that I'm in on Facebook. It's called Hotlzman Guerrilla Survival, and they make knives and all kinds of survival stuff. But they have some really cool knives that I really liked, and I just so happened to hop on this page that was brought up to me from a gentleman that was in the BattlBox group, and he turned me onto this page called Holtzman Guerrilla Survival, and they sent me all kinds of stuff because they had a bid war, and I was actually the only one who put in a bid for all this stuff, and all this stuff is worth like 300, maybe a little bit more than 300. But it's pretty cool stuff. I don't think Liz liked it very much because I spent a little bit of money on it.
That's your business.
Oh, okay. See, she's mad already.
I'm not.
But yeah, check this out. I'm gonna unbox it right now, and then I'll do a couple kind of reviews or uses on them, and then but right now I'm just gonna unbox everything. Okay. All right. So here's kind of a survival bracelet. Right off the bat, it comes with a fire starter and a ferro rod, a whistle, some Ranger bands. Are just kind of like a bigger rubber bands, I guess you would say. And this is to loosen it and tighten it. And then I think probably under here is a compass. Or no, it's some duct tape. That's kind of cool. Some duct tape right there. And then I believe in this one, here's what it all has in it. And here's another survival bracelet, just without the Ranger bands. This one's just a paracord, I believe, and the fire starter and ferro rod and whistle. So there's those two. And then I got these two balls right here. And these will actually open up by unraveling all the paracord. And then you got a bunch of little stuff in this little ball inside of here. I'll go over that in a little bit, or maybe in a video I'll undo one. These on their website, these are worth 75 bucks. And then you get this, a keychain. Why I got that. And then check these out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 credit card knives. These are super good if you're in a pinch and you don't have a knife on you, then you have one. There you go. These are more for like bushcraft. You got arrows, fishing hooks, snare holders, a saw. This one has a little knife. I don't know if you could see that, but this one has a fork and other stuff. It's kind of repetitive, but it's kind of cool. So I got 4 of those. Got a little necklace. I don't know what this is. Oh wow, you got all kinds of stuff in there. Paper, Q-tip. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get it all back in here. Little razor. And the little pencil. I remember these pencils from when I was in junior high, when I was there. Then you got a ferro rod, fire striker, paracord, all in one necklace. Kind of cool if you're out hiking and you get lost and you have to spend the night out in the woods. Kind of like lanyard thing. Another sphere. And then just some paracord type of things. And then I got this knife right here, which is a box cutter, and the knife. These are just more of these. I think these are just more necklaces. Now these ain't like your Tiffany style necklaces or like Louis Vuitton or anything. But this is, oh no, these are the cards. And then I think these, let me use my new knife to open this up. This is the Gucci of hiking, of survival. Gucci. Here's another credit card. This is really cool. The only thing I really didn't like about this thing, because I had bought one of these during in between Thanksgiving and Christmas. I had to kind of treat myself, which I'm always doing, actually.
Yeah.
So you get another card, and then you get it's called a survival pin. Has a whistle, compass, fishing line, and then in here is a weight. And then got a little knife. But the only thing I didn't like about this thing is that it comes with a light. But you can't put the light on with everything on here. You got to take off either the compass and put this on, or leave the compass on and leave this off. So, but other than that, it's really cool. Really neat little gadget here. And you got another one of these. And then you got the Bad Mammoth Jammer right here. It's really small. It's a small little guy. This little knife right here. That one's called the Baby Bloodline on their website. And it comes with this Kydex sheath. It's supposed to be used as a neck knife, but I don't know about using it as a neck knife. I tried with another one of mine that I have from Hotlzman, because it comes with this fire starter, sharpener, and then of course the lanyard to hold it. But I think the sheath is a little bit too big to wear as a neck knife. As you can see, it's really kind of big. It's a little bit excessive, I think, as a neck knife. So if it was me, I would just wear this on my belt, or just attach it to my bag. But yeah, all this stuff came in this box, and man, it was well worth the money that I spent. Thank you, Hotlzman, and thank you guys for watching.
How much was it again?
The bid was $150 that I put out, and everything in this box, I'd say, equals out to about $300, maybe more. Just in the knife alone, it sells on his website for $50. These little pin things right here. The survival pins, they go for 24 bucks. So right there, that's 100. And then these things right here, these go for 75 bucks. So that's 125. That's 225. And let's just say $1 each for these. That's 235. I forgot how much this. I think it's 25 bucks. So that right there is 250. And then all this little stuff, you know, is like 10, 20 bucks each. So, you know, I mean, I was quite surprised. And then this little sphere goes for 11 bucks. But yeah, I was really happy with what I got. If you guys want to get on the Facebook page, it's called Hotlzman Guerrilla Survival. Really cool dude. I talked with him for a little bit. You know, really cool dude, really down to earth. And he comes out of Prescott Valley, Arizona. And hopefully I'll be doing a little bit more business with him in the near future. I love knives. I got a whole toolbox full of knives. But yeah, I love knives. I love survival gear. And you know, I'm really happy with this box. I'll probably be doing a review on this little bloodline knife right here. It's made from D2 steel. But you know, the knife itself and the sheath, because it comes with a sharpener, so you can sharpen it on the field if you need to. I'll probably be doing a review on this, see how well it works. And I mean, it feels really solid. Look, Liz, tell me what you think.
I like it. I like the size too.
It feels solid though, huh?
Yeah, it does.
For a small knife, it feels pretty solid, huh?
It does.
Yeah, I think the blade's only like 2.5. But yeah, thanks for watching, and stay tuned. Probably next video will be on this knife. Thank you for watching.